All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 2500 high top long wheelbase with power windows, power door locks. Only 29,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice. Got some damage here and there, but looks fantastic. Let's go real quick. Front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. I see 1, 2, 3 little dings. You can see one right there, and then there's another 2 right there. Small little dingies. Fender here looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Your tire thread is over 10-30 seconds. Turn the lights. Pow. All right, this door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good until here. Here we got a dent right there. Pow. That's a dent right there. And then some scuffing hard dent here as well. 10 or more. Likewise on this dent here, 10 or more. The rest of it looks pretty good. Got your rear driver's rim. Very nice and curbing. Your tire thread is over 10-30 seconds. Jump into this vehicle real quick. You got power windows, power door locks. This is your front driver's seat. You don't see any holes, no tears, no rips. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got what is this? Cup holders right here. Put your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 29.5. 44. AC is blowing nice and cool. All right, looks good. Keeping it moving. Very cool. These doors look good. Boom, rear bumper looks good. Doors do swing out all the way, as you can see here. Boom. One of your doors looks like you do have a cracking right there. And your other door does have a cracking on that paneling, but the rest of the door looks pretty good. All right. This quarter here is pretty good. Does have a dent down here, so you can see 10 or more inches. Boom, it's the length of that thing there. On the door there's a dent as well, right there, and another little ding here. The door opens up though and closes, so there's no problems with that. This quarter, I mean, this is what your inside cargo area looks like. Very nice. So your door opens and closes good. All right, here's your rear passenger steel wheel and your tire thread. And your tire thread is over 10-30 seconds. Let's check out what it looks like on the roof. Boom, got a little dent right here in the corner. The rest of the roof looks good. I don't see any damages up here to speak of. And just to let you guys know, you got nice lights are working over there. Let's check out what the front of the roof looks like here. Boom, this is what the front looks. I don't see any damages here either. Just over there in the top corner. All right, check out your door. This is what your rear passenger seat, your front passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Fender. And your front passenger steel wheel and tire thread is over 12-30 seconds. That's about it, folks. Light ain't working there. We're gonna fix that right now. 1 sec.